when cars get towed, repossessed, or traded in the high desert of California. They come here to get auctioned off. The cars get put up for auction. Coming up.
Going twice, I got 6, 7, 8, 8, 9. Sold $1,200. Sold $1,200. You gotta crawl, then walk, then run again. You telling me that?
Got this Acura looking pretty clean. Clean interior. We got this pretty clean Range Rover. Nice green olive color. Got the wood trim on it, you already know. Super comfortable seats, no rips. A little wear, but pretty clean. In and out. Nothing too crazy about it. We also got this Mustang. Got some chrome wheels. Pretty clean on the inside. No rips or tears or anything weird, stains. We don't got too many cool cars here today, other than the Maserati. But got this compressor. This truck too. This truck too is a nice work truck. Has some off-roading wheels, tires. Super clean interior though. Super duper clean. No tears or anything. No dents. Clean title. Ready to go. This one's really clean. It's like a GL 450 or something. But interior is really nice. I actually like these ones better than the G-Wagons. The G-Wagons look more aggressive, but they're small. These ones are like way bigger. Alright, we also got this Chevy Avalanche with the wheels on it. Ready to go off-roading. Leather interior, pretty clean. It's ready to go. Alright, we got this Corolla. Clean daily driver right here with tint. Blacked out all the way. It's been repainted. But it looks like a good car. This old Acura is really clean actually. Paint's really nice on it. Got the Mini Cooper. This Audi's kind of clean. No real big dents or anything. Oh, there's a tear right there on the seat. That's the only thing. Pretty clean. Got the Suburban with some poked out wheels. It's an old Suburban, old paint. Still looks like a daily driver though.
If you want to ask why, I can tell you later. Here you go. Number 72. And he'll say because he fucking said so. So here you go. Number 72.
Oh my god.
You're all being recorded, by the way. There's like 40 cameras here, so flip them off. Here you go. It's a rear-wheel drive. Rear-wheel drive is a repossession car, so I gotta give the repossession company the money, and then they give me the title. Title tomorrow at 12 p.m. Title tomorrow at 12 p.m. You lose $400 today, and you You pay the rest tomorrow, so that might help you out, that might help you out. How much? What are we doing? How much? What are we doing? How much? What are we doing? What? 3,000 the big fucker. 31, 32, 33, 4,000, 41, 42, 43, 5,000, 5,000, 40, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 6,000, 6,000. You can't bid, they can't bid. They can't bid, be careful. The kid's bidding. 6,000, the kid. Poppy's in at 6. Let's get her 18 over, 18 over. 6,000 on the big guy. 6,000 going once, 6,000 going twice. Anybody else? Anybody got 61, 62, 62, the green shirt, 62, 62, the $15,000 car. 15,000, you can take the car. 62, 63, 63, 64. You can take the car if you want. I don't have the title. Till tomorrow. 64, 65, 65 when I go on once, 65 when I go on twice, and 66. 66, you want 67? Yes or no? You want 67? I got 65. You're out. You're out. So, $6,500, $6,500. Half price. $64,000 once, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 5,000, 51, 52, 53, 53 when I go on once, 53 when I go on 54, 55, 55, 55, 56, 56 when I go on once, 56, 57, 58, 58 the LA hat, 58 LA hat, white hat, 158, 58 when I go on once, 58 when I go once, 58, 50, 58, 50, 50, 59, 59 with the braids, 59 with the braids, 59 with the braids. I got 6,000, 6,000 on LA hat, LA hat, champion, LA hat, fuck. 6,050, 6,050, 6,050. The little fucker's in. 6,000, big guy, you're out. 61, 61, 61, 61, 61, 61. 61, and they go on one. 6150. He's on your ass, mama. 6150, he likes it. 6150 once, 6150 twice. So 6150, he's fucking out.
No check, put your light.
Pink slip's here. Pink slip's here, it's in repossession. I already got the pink slip though. Already got the pink slip. 2008. 2018. Pop the hood, rag it up, ask the driver's price. It's a $25,000 car. Get out your phone and check it. I'm not kidding you. How much? 4,000. 4,000 once, 4,000 twice. 4,000, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 5,000, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 6,000, 6,000, 61, 61, 62, 62, 62, and I go on once, 62, and I go on twice, 62, and I'm inside the car, 63, 63, 64, 64, and I go on once, 65, 65, 65, 66, 67, 67, 68, 68, 69, 79, 79, 7,000, 79, 79, 71, 72, 72, 72, and 73, 73, and I go on once, 73, 74, 75, 7,500, half price, not even half price, 7,500, 76, 76, and I go on once, 76, 78, she beat you, 78, 79, 79, 79, and I go on once, 79, and I go on twice, you got an 79, 8,000, $8,000, $8,000 going once, $8,000 going twice, anybody else? Sold, $8,000 sold, $8,000, give a round of applause! That's more money than I got. Number 52.
Okay, you like it?
Also follow on or subscribe on YouTube to Auction Wars. Subscribe to Auction Wars. Subscribe to YouTube to Auction Wars. Got a Mini Cooper 2013. 2013! The tag her December 21. 3,000 bucks. $2,000 going once, $2,000 going twice, 31, 32, 33, 33 once, 33 twice, everybody else, last call, 3,300, 34, 35, 3,500 going once, 36, 37, 38, 39, 39, 4,000, 41, 41, they go on once, 41, they go on twice, 41 to 10,000, I got to 2013, 42, 42 when they go on once, 42 when they go on twice, 42 when anybody else, last call, so book at $4,200.
Alright.
That is a book,
Hey, trying to get it, huh?
Hell yeah.
What kind of cars you looking for?
Shit, really a good one. It
It's
don't
a-
really matter.
it's a
As long
good
as it's-
deal?
As long as it's good. What about you? What you came for?
Oh, I work for them, so.
That's a good car.
What kind of cars are you looking for?
We was waiting on the Acura, but
The black one?
no, the green one over
Oh,
there.
okay, yeah. Waiting for too much?
Yeah.
Is that out of your budget? Yeah, we got a lot of cars here today, though, so you'll get some.
For another one.
So what'd you guys get?
Impala.
What What kind of cars you guys get?
He got an Impala right there, that white one.
Oh, nice. That's cool. Pretty decent car.
But how'd you get for it?
22 or 23, right? Yeah.
Pretty good.
What'd you get?
I get the Dodge Magnum.
Nice. What kind of cars you guys usually like to get? Just good deals?
Yeah, good deals.
Lower mileage.
Lower miles, under 150?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one has flex fuel too. You could put E85 in it. So you only pay like $2.70 a gallon. You guys getting it together?
Yeah. We got it together.
All right, later on. Thank you. You pretty excited? Excited?
Yeah, it's not what I wanted. I wanted that one.
Went for too much?
Yeah.
We had a lot of cars, a lot of choices. A lot of chances.
And there's a navigator I missed about $50.
Well, next week. You gonna drive soon?
Oh yeah, I'm 14 right now.
So you're
I got like 2 more years.
you're already learning, right?
Yeah, I'm learning. My dad teaches me.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
You're bidding on a few of them.
Yeah. I ended up with a couple of them.
Nice.
Good.
It was cool.
It's my first time. It was fun.
You were trying to get a few of them. I seen it.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Cool. There you go, player, getting the bends right here. So you stoked on it or what?
Where your mom at, man? Where your mom at, man? Where your mom at?
Hey, go, give me a...
Where your mom at?
Sell it, yes or no? 37 going once, 37 going twice. I'm gonna sell the car. You know, down and get 5 minutes. What's that? So 3,700.